Hello, everybody. Good evening, good evening. Well, good morning now. It is 4:20 a.m. in Calgary, Alberta, and yeah, I just thought I would share a little demo of this app that I've been working on called MuultiSpace, which is a website builder that uses a wallet. So if I connect a wallet to this, um, it will I can create a web page using that wallet. And today we're just going to set up some donation campaigns. I thought I had deleted these actually ahead of the space, but so we're just going to go ahead and do that. And then we will actually begin the demo because I just didn't save what I did. All right, so we're going to connect our wallet again. We are going to press F, not F12. We're going to select this component. We're going to remove it. Select this component. Also going to remove that one. Select that component. Remove it. Select that one. Remove it. Select that one. Remove it. And now we're actually going to do the right thing, which is save our updates. So it's going to ask for a transaction. I'm going to confirm the transaction. And those panels should disappear, should be gone now. Perfect. All right, so now we're actually going to start. We're going to, so the purpose of this demo is I'm going to show you how to set up some donation campaigns using your space and MuultiSpace. So this is if you've already created a space in MuultiSpace and you want to start creating some ways to manage the access to your content. So we're gonna just start with adding a donation component. Um, we're gonna call this one the Solana donation campaign tester. Demo Solana donation campaign tester. We'll call it that. And then we'll also choose a file. We're going to choose a file from here. So I already have some images selected. So we're going to use this because we want users to donate Solana with this one. So we're going to choose Solana for a currency. So we have our donation campaign. We have the description for our donation campaign. We have the preview for our donation campaign. And we've also uploaded an image. And let's make a goal of 1 Solana for this one. So now we'll see that this Solana donation campaign tester exists. It's not at the bottom like it was a second ago. And it has a goal of 1 Solana on it. And we've raised nothing on it so far. That's okay. Now we're going to add an image that's going to use token gate that uses that donation campaign. So that was for the Solana. Solana donation campaign. content unlock test. And we're just writing test on these because this is making it available so that way other users can test the gating function without actually have to, like, without the need to create their own account. So we're going to give these users this image if they um, unlock the content using the Solana donation gate that we created. And we're going to see that this donation gate actually was created for this channel. So it's when we go to the access controls at the bottom of the editor on the left, you can drop down access controls, select donation, and you'll see that it added our demo Solana donation campaign tester to the list. And we can just make the threshold 0.001 to unlock any content. We're going to save and publish. We're going to select that one more time because I've been having some interesting issues come up. I'm just going to double check to make sure that we have a donation campaign. And then we're going to publish the updates here. And then we will preview our space. So let's see if, so now, yeah, we're not an editor and we haven't donated 0.001 sold to the Solana campaign, so we can't view that content. All right, on to the next component. We're going to just give ourselves a fresh refresh there. We're going to connect our wallet. And next, we're going to create another donation campaign. And this time, we'll create a bonk donation campaign. We're going to use the same naming structure as the previous one, just to keep it consistent. We're going to rename this one bonk. Just while I remember, we want this campaign to be in bonk. Donate to this campaign to unlock additional content. And we're going to choose our really quick and dirty bonk promotion for this one. We'll make the goal 1 million. 1 million bonk. 1 million. All right, now we're going to add it to styles. Now we should see a new campaign for bonk on here. Oh no, we're actually creating it right now, so this should be public. Look at that. So we're going to save and publish that. And now when we create our image panel, that campaign will appear. All right, let's do that now. We're going to add the image component, add image component. We're going to choose one. Let's go with this one. Once again. Sorry, I was just reading some of that there. All right, we're going to make this one for SKR token. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Bonk. We still have to make the content for bonk. There we go. So it's actually there. We have bonk content. Now we're going to edit styles and gates, and we should see that the bonk gate for donations exists. So yes, demo bonk donation campaign tester. We'll make it 1 million for the threshold. Then we're going to hit the publish button up here and see if that worked. All right, we're going to add another image component that uses the bonk campaign. Just going to give a little F5 there. Choose a file. Oh, I don't know. Let's go with this one for the bonk token. Demo bonk donation campaign tester. All right, we added this image component, but I'm trying to just find it in the previews. There it is now. And then we're going to go to the bottom here. Access controls, donation, select campaign, demo bonk, donation campaign tester. We'll make the threshold 1,000. Save and publish. Boom. So now we have, let's just make sure that is properly set up. So we've been having some issues depending on, oh yeah, that's set up. Okay, so now we have a donation campaign in Solana and then content that gets unlocked by donating to that campaign. We also have one for Bonk. I see. But it didn't get published. All right, let's try this one more time. It should actually be that one. Bonk. Bonk. That buddy. It's a Bonk campaign. Publish updates. All right, last one. We're gonna just get this done. We're gonna add the. We're gonna refresh. We're gonna add another donation gate. So we're gonna reconnect our wallet. We're gonna add one more donation gate. We got the text for our donation gate. We're gonna do USDC. Whoop, fall asleep. All right, let's just double check that we added those items. MuultiSpace featured demo. Okay, this is the campaign donation campaign that we added. That's right. Okay, so demo USDC, select USDC, goal amount, we'll make it $10, and then we'll choose our file for this. Make sure it looks somewhat nice. It's not there, but that's okay. Save and publish. This one won't have a donation target. So there's USDC. So we're gonna make our image for the bonk, that our image that gets unlocked by bonk, and our image that gets unlocked by USDC. And maybe just while we're here, we'll add one more donation component for SKR, which we also have set up. So demo SKR donation campaign tester. We're going to choose our file. We'll make our goal, it's SKR, so we'll make it 100. Currency SKR. Save and publish. got USDC, we got SKR. So we've got all of our donation campaigns set up, but we only have one image set up. So we're now going to set up our just 2 images here, or 3 images that is token gated. And let's get the name for this one. Demo ball donation campaign tester image. Edit styles, we're going to access controls, donations, and then we're going to select bonk because that's what we want for this one. And we want a threshold of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to save and publish that now. And that's a good sign that it's asking us to sign our wallet. So let's go down and see if, yeah, there is the content for this one. Let's just make sure that when we click on it, it has our access control set up. So it's still saying that it's public. We're going to switch that. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Publish updates. All right, we're going to add 2 more image components. So hard refresh, connect. Add an image component. And now we're going to just choose a file here. Demo SKR donation campaign tester. And it looks like the file is selected. So we're going to go down, choose access controls, donation, SKR. Threshold will be 25. Save and publish. All right, last one is for the USDC component. So we're going to add another image component. Choose a file. This one's oh, it's too large. These are our pre-made selections. We're just going to go with that one. Solana. Okay, we're going to call this one USDC donation campaigns tester. And now we're going to go down to edit access controls, donation. All right, let's see if we've got that one now. So we should have one for SKR, demo SKR, demo USDC. Let's make sure these are actually correct. USDC, SKR, bonk, and Solana. So now if we donate to these corresponding campaigns, this content will get unlocked. So let's just hit that publish button one more time. And then let's have a look at the space. All right, I think I'm happy with that right now. Let's just go to the preview space because it should just show that all of this access is denied for all of those things. So our SKR toast tester and USDC tester need to be fixed actually. So we're just going to go back to the editor. We're going to select those two, the SKR demo. Go over here to the top. We said this one was for SKR. So we're going to go edit access controls, donation, select campaign. We're going to choose the SKR campaign. We'll set that to like 125. Now we'll go up here, publish updates. And we should be okay. All right, there was one more that we had to fix, and that was the one for USDC. So we're going to fix the USDC component. We're going to check its access controls down here, edit styles and gates, access controls, donation, the USDC one, and we'll just make it something silly like $3. All right, so now we're going to publish the updates and publish it one more time just in case. All right, and I think that about wraps it up for me. We're just going to quickly preview the space here and show that those we're just getting access denied in all of the right places. So yeah, there's other videos where I am unlocking the content. I'm not going to do that today. Today it was just setting up these demo campaigns using different on-chain currencies, and then creating content that is accessed through that donation campaign or by donating a certain amount to that donation campaign. Anyways, that's everything from me. Have a great night. Cheers.